Hello guys, in this video I will try just to answer a question. I always get this question many times, so I want in this video to address it and to give as much information as I can. Now, some people try to invest through a retirement plan or what we call a saving plan like 401k. Okay, so from the paycheck or the salary, they take or they cut a percentage, 5% or 6% or 10 as you like, and then the company match some money like 100% or 50% depending on the company, and then you invest for the long run. Okay, when you invest, there are choices. They give you mutual funds, they give you retirement plan funds, they give you bonds, they give you money markets, they give you CDs. Okay, now for mutual funds, understand that a manager is managing a fund with a lot of stocks. So the stock that does good, that do good, he let them run, and those who are doing bad, he cut them. Now this is done each quarter or each year depending on the manager. So most of the time you are not getting that much from mutual funds. Now why? Because we have a lot of stocks inside the mutual fund, so it takes the average. Now you can use bonds, but understand that bonds, if they give you percentage like 5% or 6%, understand that the basic principle that you have can change. Although they give you 6%, let's say you have $10,000, you put it in bond. Okay? Now, $10,000, they give you, for example, 5% each year for 10 years. Now, 5% of $10,000, it's $500, okay, each year. Now, if your bonds go lower and they are not $10,000 anymore, they go down, the principal go down, although you get 5%, but it will not be the same as what you get last year or the other year. So always there is a change depending on the principle of the bond, because the bond, they go up and they go down like a stock. Okay, now money markets or the CDs, they give you a percentage of your money that it is static, doesn't change, and your principal doesn't change, 1% or 2% or 0.5%, whatever. Okay, and this is not good because each year you lose 3% of your money because of inflation. Now if they give you $1 or $2, 2%, you are losing money. Although you see that you get money, but you are losing money. So for me, it's not a good way to make money. Now, there are other ways you can invest, okay, without this 401k. You can open an account, a broker account. You can buy stocks. Now, stocks has high risk than mutual funds. Now, what does it mean, high risk? High risk, it means I have given you a good example and a bad example. Okay? I begin with the high risk. You can lose a big chunk of your money in a stock. Let's say you buy a stock that it is $100. Okay? And you buy 100 shares. Now, let's say the stock goes from 100 go to $50. So you lose 50% of your money. Okay? It's a high risk. In mutual funds, in general, it's not, you can't just lose 50% or 60% in mutual fund, because mutual fund we have a lot of stocks, so you can lose 10%, 15, 20 at the most in the big corrections or a big sell-off. Now, but the good thing about the stock is something that you can never imagine. I always give this example as an example of not just hope, but example of how the stock market can make you rich from one stock or two or three. And all the people who have succeeded, like Warren Buffett, okay, who is the one of the wealthiest men in America, he invests in a few stocks. He doesn't put his money in mutual fund. That's why I understand how these people make money, because they put all their money in few stocks. But they have to risk this money, yes, which is true. But when these people succeed, it's a big success. See, Warren Buffett, from few million dollars, now he has 30 or 40 billion dollars. Now, why is that? It's just because he risked too much. Because the companies, they can collapse, they can lose his money. But he was successful, and all his companies have done so good that he becomes a billionaire. Okay? Now, for you, what you want to choose? Are you going to stay with a 401k because the company is matching, which is something which is very good, but they don't let you be free in choosing what you want? For example, let's say you want a company and you like a company and you want to invest in it, but your 401k does not allow you to invest in that company because we don't have single stocks in a 401k, because almost all are mutual funds, okay, or bonds or money markets or something like that. So they don't allow you. So you are restricted to a few mutual funds. If you want freedom from the mutual fund thing, you can go and do what you call a broker account. You invest in companies steadily, like for example each month, 2 months, 6 months, you have some money and you buy from these stocks. Choose only few. Don't choose too many. If you use 30 or 40 or 60 stocks and you want to put money, it's so hard for you because you don't have such money to buy all this kind of stocks that you like. So try to minimize the stocks to few stocks. I don't tell you how many stocks. You can use 3, 4, 5, 6 or 4 or 2 or 1, wherever you want, but understand that there is a big risk. But the only risk you do, what is it? Is you lose half of your money or you lose a big chunk of your money. But the reward is so powerful. I just gave you an example in order to make you understand that a stock from $3, it goes to $156 or $57 in 2 years. This, in your mind, you can never imagine. Okay? You don't imagine you put 10,000 in a stock and after 2 years or 3 years you get $200,000, $300,000. Okay? You say to yourself, it's impossible. No, it is not impossible. It is possible. Everything you think of stock market is that it is possible to make money, and too much money that you have never dreamed of. Okay? Now you tell me, for example, oh, I do lottery, maybe I make 200 million or 300 million. Yes, but understand that lottery, no one wins. Okay? 1 out of millions each year. You can do lottery all your life and you win nothing. So this is a purely lottery thing. It's just gambling. Okay, you lose all your money each time you pay. But in stock market, at least you will not lose your money, all your money. You can lose some of your money, but not all. But because you are investing for the long run, this money can double, triple, and so on, and you can make a fortune about that. And most of the people, I'm telling you, most of the people who get wealthy because of stocks, they just choose stocks, few stocks, and just keep putting money on them if they are going up. Okay, I don't tell you that the stock is going down from 100 to 50 and you still put money in it. Don't put money into a loser. Okay, loser, maybe it continues to go down and down and down, and you lose more and more and more money. Okay, you can change the investment or choose another stock. Now, this is in majority how you should invest in your stocks, and you can read some books to see how you choose a company, but this is not a guarantee that when you do and you apply the criteria that you will get money from them. Okay, understand that stock market doesn't work as the people say it will work. Okay, a big company, a big name, and you put money and you become rich. It never happened like this. People, when they buy this company, they buy it when it was not known or small, and then when it becomes big, and when you throw money when it becomes big, the development or the growth of this company is small. Okay, it's not that big. Now, the choice of company, you choose wherever you want. Okay, no one obliges you to choose one and to leave the other one, or you go to some websites and they ask you, oh, buy this company, don't buy that one. This is just stupid, because you can choose some companies that may succeed better than any analyst, because this is in the hands of the future. And maybe a mutual fund buys your stock when you buy it, and then it becomes bigger and bigger and bigger, and you become millionaire in a few years, or 10 years or 20 years. So all depend on how you invest. Now, if you want to invest in mutual funds, understand that there are fees. Each mutual fund, they take 1% or 2%, depending on the mutual fund. So your money is cut each year. But when you make your own mutual fund, for example, you make a mutual fund for yourself, a portfolio of 4 or 5 stocks, or 6 or 7 or 10, wherever you want. Okay? Now, if you take all the stocks that you bought in 1 year, like let's say in January, the next year you try to combine all these things that you buy, and you see what is the new price. Most of the time, all the time, your broker will show you where you are. Are you up or are you down? Okay? And then you can, each year you can see, either you can change the stock or you leave it. This, some people, they do, you do like a mutual fund. If you have a loser, it's better to take it out from your account and put another and replace it. But the stocks that are good, you buy a stock today at $10. Next year is 20. Why you sell this stock? You don't sell it. Stay with it. Because from 20 it can go to 40, 50, 60. It means this company is growing and you can make a lot of money from it. But you buy a stock at $10, now it is $5. And you say to me, no, I will put more money in it because I know it will go up. Oh, okay. You lose half of your money in that one. You want to put more money, and maybe next year from $5 it becomes $1, and you lose a lot of money. These are many ways how to manage your portfolio. Okay? Losers, get rid of them either in 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. Don't let a loser take almost all your money. Okay? Now, if you are in 401k, You have mutual funds, and you will see which is doing better than the other. You can change them also. If you have a 401k, you can go to your account and change it. There is no one who will stop you from changing the selection. Change the selection, see what is good for you. It means, what's the thing I'm telling you always from all or through all my videos, all my channel, is to decide for yourself. No one will decide for you in terms of money. If you choose something and you succeed by yourself, not because of the help of the others. Okay? Because if you follow other people, like for example, you go to a website and they ask you, choose this company and this and that company. Okay, you buy them. After 5 years, you lose almost all your money. What do you do? Are you going to complain and to say, these people, they ruined me? It's no big deal. Okay? It's your problem. It's you is the problem, not them. Because they sell things or they do some kind of business. But you should understand that you should take all your finances with your hands. It means decide. Every time you want to do something, you decide, you plan, you make a plan, and you follow it for many years, and you will see that your money will grow because you take care of your business. Okay? So these are just some ideas about how to invest in the stock market, and understand that, let's say you have $10,000. You buy some stocks. After a few years, what do you lose? Even if you lose all your money, you lose only $10,000. You are not losing more. But now in the reward, you can double this money in 1 year or 2 or 3. You can double it. You can triple. From 10,000, next year you find it 20,000. And you will have 100% of your money. Okay? You can do 200, 300. No one knows. And no one will predict the market how it will be next year. So don't follow other people when they say, the market will go down next year. Don't buy stocks. No one knows the future. And I don't say these people are liars, but these people are just telling their opinion. You also, as an investor, either you are new or old, or you are 20 years old, or you are 30, or you are 70, you have the ability to choose what you like and be responsible for that. Okay? If you make money, you say, I choose some stocks and I become a millionaire in 10 years or 20 years. Don't follow your friends or websites or something and they ask you what you should do, because this is your future, and no one knows your future than you yourself. Because when you decide for your money, you save more money, put in the stock market, the stock goes up and up and up, and you can make a lot of money. You can sell them and buy a house or buy a nice car, whatever you want to do. Okay? So this is for the future, for investment. And understand that investing is for the long run. If you can't wait 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years, or 10 years, there is no need that you do investing. So you can do trading, like swing trading, like I do, swing trading or day trading. This if you don't want to stay long. Okay? But the good thing of staying long is if you succeed, if your stocks go up, believe me, you will make a lot of money because of the time and because of the stock's growth. Okay? So here, all my ideas are just suggestions for you, and by the end you can go and read more books, you can go and check other videos, just to try to have a general idea, and what is good for you, you do it for yourself. And if you succeed, okay, don't send me money, okay, People are stingy, but just try to see your future, or the future of your brothers and sisters, or father and mother, or wherever. Try to spread the word, and try just to help yourself and help others understand how things works in the stock market, because knowledge is power and money. If you know something and you apply it for many years, you can make a fortune. Other people, they don't know, because they don't search, they don't read, they don't care about money that much. But when they get fired, or they have no jobs, and they have no money saved either in the stock market or wherever, they get ruined. Some, they can be in the street homeless. It's just because they don't plan for their future. Okay, a job, it's good to have a job, or to have an excellent job, or to look for other jobs, better jobs, to do business. But understand that jobs, you can be fired at any time. Okay, so there is no need to rely a lot on jobs. But if you have a business and you can grow your business, this is a good thing, because you control your finances, you control your future. No one control you. You are your own boss. You do business, you invest. Even if you have a job right now, take some money, save it, put it in the stock market, search for stocks, and then 10 years, 20 years, you can be a millionaire. Because millionaire is not a big deal. If you just save 10 years or 20 years or 30 years, you save $100,000, $200,000 in these 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years. This in the stock market could go to $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, because the stock market is not static. It changes up and down, and it changes more up than any other thing. Now, those who are doing, for example, investing in gold, silver, and precious metals, this the return on their investment is so low, because go and see how much the stock market has gained, and go and see how much gold and silver the other has gained. You can't for example, you can't compare them. You can go and try to see a chart on the stock market and gold and money markets, or the CDs. If you have percentage, you will see that the stock market is the best, and it is magical. You put 10,000, 2 years, 3 years, you find 10,000, you find 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. You have done nothing. Just you put them in a place where can it grow. Now you say to me, the stocks can go down and you lose money. Yes, because you are doing business. Business, it doesn't mean that you should always make money. You lose sometimes. But the risk, because you do a risk, you can get a big reward. People who don't want to do risk, they have small jobs. Okay? That's why someone who is paid $8 or $9, he will stay with $8 or $9 all his life. Okay? If you do a business and you are getting little money at first, 1 year or two, but the business becomes big, you can make thousands and thousands of dollars each month and hundreds of thousands each year. Okay? This is the difference between people who think in terms of business, investing, stock market, and people who are thinking just what to eat today and how to watch a movie and to waste your money here and there. Okay? Some people, they always tell me, oh, Kareem, I don't have money. I have a small job. How can I save? Yes, you can save. Can you save $10 a month? You say to me, yes, I can. $10? It's just $10 or $20. Yes, save it. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Put it in the stocks. This 1,000, 2,000 becomes 5,000, 7,000. And you don't imagine how this can multiply. You don't know. No one knows. So it is, as we say, in the hands of God. If He wants to make you rich, few years and you become rich, it's just because you choose the right path. to become rich. If you go to your job and you get paid $8 or $9 and you stay in this job, how can you become rich? Tell me. It means that you choose to be poor all your life. You don't want to change. People who make money, they do business. I'm just telling you, I'm just whispering this. Do business to make money. Do a job, you sign for poverty all your life. That's it. And people, they say, oh, I don't know how to do business. I don't know how to invest. Okay, just read some books. Find some stocks, companies that you like. Put some money, that's it. All is happening in the future. No one tells you that this company, if a company is losing money each year, and you go to it and you see those, as someone has sent me an email before, he told me, oh, I want to invest in a company and the stock is $2. What do you think? Okay, I say, send me the symbol or the ticker of this company. Now he sent me the symbol. For me, I don't care about the fundamentals. Okay, I want to see the price. Now when I see the price, I see that this company was $92 last year or the other year. And I told this guy, how can you invest money in a company that was 92 and now is $2? This company is going to bankruptcy. How can you invest? Who tells you to invest? Because the people, when they want to invest, they don't see the price. They go to fundamentals. Oh, it's good. Earning is good. And the company is good. Competition is good. It has a unique product. It has something. It has something. All this is stupid. If the price is not going up, don't buy. I'm telling you. If you see a stock that is $2, it goes to $10 in 1 year or two. Okay, this is stock. This company might grow better and better and better, bigger and bigger and bigger. I see the price going up. This is the opportunity to make money from this company. A company that it is losing money, stay away from it. This is just general ideas that I give you because of my experience in the stock market. Okay? Before, when I do videos about Facebook, I read an article. I was checking Facebook and some stuff, and then I found an article, an analyst, and the stock was at the time, it was $19.99 when I bought it for some time. And I put video and I say, oh guys, buy Facebook, it's $19.99, and I think it's a support line and it goes up. Because I see support line at $17.55. Okay? I read an article, someone says, oh, if the stock goes to 12 and 13, I will buy it. But Facebook has never gone to 12 and 13 to buy it. Okay? Don't wait until the stock goes down to buy it. If it's going up, buy. No one knows what will happen because mutual funds are buying here and there. And each year they change the stocks. So your stock has a turn. When the turn comes, your stock will go up and you make that much money. Now, this is just some ideas, some suggestions. You can comment, or you have other ideas, please share with us. For me, I just want to share ideas that in the future you can make money from it. Okay? And believe me, when you are 20, it's better than you are 30. And someone who's 30 is better than someone who's 40. 40 is better than 50. 50 is better than 60. It means the younger you are, the better you can make a lot of money. Okay? Because when you begin young, you have money to spend, you have time to work, and you have money to save for your life and to become rich. I'm not saying retirement, but I'm saying just to become rich. You put 50,000 in 10 years, and this 50,000 in the stock market becomes 200, 300, 400. You can buy a house, you can buy a nice car, and you choose a nice girl. Okay? If you don't have money, you rent all your life, you choose the ugliest girl in the market, or in the market in life, and you have a creepy car. This is what you get in life. And your future is a dead end. You know, when you go to a street and it's written, okay, in a big sign, a dead end. It means when you go into this street and you drive, you find where you stop, you find just trees, you find no more path or way to continue. This is what you are doing. Okay? And most of the people in America are doing this. Ask yourself, let's say you have a job right now, you are working. Do you have what we call an emergency fund? Emergency fund is just some fund when you have a problem or you have a big bill, you can pay and you can save yourself. Have you 2,000, 5,000, 10,000 put aside? When you have a problem, use it. Now you ask me, oh, I don't have nothing. I am living from paycheck to paycheck. Okay, why you don't save? What if they fire you? Okay? Have you some stocks in the stock market that you can sell and you need your money and you use it? No. Have you an emergency fund, a saving account, you put some money in hardships? No. So what do you have? All your money that you earn, you eat. You go to a movie here, you drink a lot of coffee outside, you eat outside, you do everything and you spend all your money. So how your future will be in the future? You know your future you will go nowhere. After 10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 60 years, you are 70 years, it's the same for you. You are poor, you stay poor. It's just because of your choice. It's not because of the market or because of other people who are against you or because of that and situation you were born poor and you don't have someone who helps you. This is our excuses. Okay? There is no excuse for you. You choose something and you get what you choose. Okay? If you want to choose other things, you should plan things. You should change your situation by thinking, planning things. Why God has given us a brain? Okay? To use it. If you don't use your brain, you will be like, let's say, animals. You will be instinctive. Okay? You are hungry, you eat. You need a woman? Okay. It's something that it is instinctive. You don't think about the future. You don't think about your investment. You don't think about making money in the future. There are ways that are possible for you to make money. Just to try to do something else than what you are doing right now. Okay? And try to see your future. So hope I just highlight a lot of things. I know subjects are interrelated and sometimes I go here, sometimes I go here. So sorry for that. So I'm trying just to tell a lot of things in one video. It could be long, but it's worth it just to listen. If you have other opinions, you can just comment here and we can discuss things, because when you are telling me that you are obliged to work this job, or I don't find another job, or I don't know how to do business, or this is just excuses. Because use your brain, search, find other ways, and you will succeed. Okay? So if you stay in the same routine, you will end up in the same situation you begin with. Okay? If you are in a job that it is $8 or $9 all your life, and you think that the company will give you more and more and more until you become having $50 an hour or 60 or 100. Okay? So you are just dreaming, because the companies are cutting hours, cutting jobs, firing people. They are not giving too much money to people. They can replace you, okay, at any time. So you are in danger always. So try to do some business, try to invest in stock market, have an emergency fund. Try to move a little bit and find ways. If your friends that you are hanging with stops you from looking at your future, change them. Because if your friends are losers, you will be a loser also. You will never succeed. How do you succeed and you are with the losers? You will be becoming like them. Now, when you change your mindset, okay, find other people who are ambitious, who want more of this life. Better jobs, better money, better business, better opportunities. They share good things between each other. Okay? If a friend doesn't show you the right way or how to make money, or if he succeeds and you don't succeed and you ask him for help, he doesn't help you, why you are a friend with him? Okay? There is no friends. Friends is a friend in need is a friend indeed. These are friends. A friends that push up, not friends that push down. If you are with the friends that push down, you stay with them all your life, you will be losers like them. So you should change. And this is a high time to change. There is no summer or autumn or fall or spring and I will change. No, you change now. You just listen. Try to find ways. Try to think better. Find other things that makes you money better. Do business. Okay? There are hundreds of ways to build business. Whatever business you like, just build something and try to do it. Now you know that your family and your friends will be against you. Maybe they laugh at you at first because you begin something strange, or you do business, or they say, oh, this you will not succeed, this you not do, this you will not go nowhere, here you are studying something that leads to nowhere, this business is bad. They want to stop you from doing your own business. These kind of people, you should ignore them and don't speak to them about your business until you succeed, because they will stop you. Okay? And this is life. Life pushes people who think. If you don't think and you be instinctive like animals, okay, you will stay in the same thing. You put animals, they are in the wilderness, in the forest, they do the same thing thousands of years. There is no change. Now, human being has the capability of changing things because of his mind. That's why things will change for you if you change things. Now, I know it's a long video, but understand that I have seen other videos. People, they do 2 hours and do 3 hours. It's just for me. I'm just trying to help always. This is something in me. I can't just stop it. So I want to help. If I know something that it is better for me, I will give it to others to benefit from it. Now, I don't need that you give me money or do you send me a thing, or just in the sake of God's thing. It's just to help other people when they need help. They need to wake up and see things otherwise. Okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, thumb it up, or subscribe if you don't. And if you need me in something very special, send me a private message. My email is on the top of the description always. You see my email on my website. And that's it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.